In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now use this plus at the bottom left corner. Tap on Gallery section at the bottom and tap on any photo you wish to attach. If you can't find it, select Gallery under plus icon. Find your photo here, click on it, and select Done at the bottom right corner. If you want to take it and add it though, use the same plus icon. Hit Camera at the bottom left corner. Switch it thanks to this icon. Take a photo and add it thanks to this check mark at the top right corner of Camera section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!